So to continue our saga on tax questions, this is a big one that I'm going to be getting, which is about when do you pay taxes on certain type things. So this question I'm going to kind of answer a bunch of stuff. So the first thing is that eBay will be sending out a 1099-K to everyone next year, okay, not this year. So it's going to change to if you make over $600 or $600 and more starting next year in 2022. In 2023, you'll be sent a 1099-K tax form for that. So it's not for 2021, it's for 2022. So that's part one. The other thing is that for you to be able to sell on eBay next year, you're going to have to give your social and your information once you reach $600. So there's a lot of people who are going to be pissed off about this. Let me just kind of give you my opinion. Give your social. Give your information. You're going to get taxed. You know, don't try to screw over the IRS. I can guarantee you that's not going to end well for anybody. You're going to end up making lots of money. That's what eBay's for, to make lots and lots and lots of money. So, give your social. You're going to get taxed on stuff. That's just the business and the nature of it is. If you decide that you want to hang up your eBay hat because you don't want to get taxed because of this new rule, well then guess what? There's going to be a whole lot of people like me that are just going to say bye and say see you later, and then we're going to make that money. So if you decide that's what you want to do, then so be it. Now the other part about this is if you buy an iPhone for $1,000 and then you sell it for $500, you don't get taxed on that. That's a loss, okay? That's a loss. So it's very important to know that you are not going to get taxed when you lose money. So you buy a bike or a part for a car for $1,000 and then you use it or whatever and then you sell it for $300. That's a $700 loss. So when you're doing your taxes, and I'm not a tax professional, I've just been doing this for like 20 years, so I just know this stuff. You have to make sure you put that into your net profit versus your gross profit. And I'm going to do a video on the difference between both of those in case you don't know the difference. But yeah, very, very important thing, just kind of giving you a heads up. It's about income tax. It's about whether or not you earned income on that. You don't pay income tax when you don't earn income. So a $1,000 item sold for $500 is a $500 loss, not a $500 profit. So keep that in mind when doing your taxes. Very, very important. I'm going to have a lot more tax videos coming up over the next week or two. So if you have more tax questions, just let me know, post them, and I'll try to answer them the best I can.